There's a huge shift happening right under our digital feet. We're witnessing the dawn of a transformative AI era. What's causing the buzz? Well, there's a new AI model developed by Anthropic, excelling in dialogue, creativity, reasoning, and coding called Claude 2. By now, most of you have heard of Claude 2, as it's Anthropic's flagship AI product. Separate from that, Amazon offers a robust platform that provides accessible foundation models through an API called Amazon Bedrock that you may have heard of before as well. Both are impressive in their own ways, and this week it was announced Claude 2 is now offered on Amazon Bedrock. This dynamite duo is causing ripples of excitement across industries, and you need to see why. I'm Alex Shepard here from the AI Nexus, and whether you're new to AI or a seasoned vet, strap in, because I've got the next chapter in this AI journey coming your way. And before we do, want to make sure you stay up on the latest AI developments each week? Subscribe now so you don't miss a single one. Now, let's do this. What is Claude 2? We're going to show you what having Claude 2 on Bedrock means for you, but before we do, we should cover off what they even are. Born from relentless research and countless iterations, Claude 2 is a masterpiece in the AI world. Claude 2 is Anthropic's generative AI premier product. This is Anthropic's premier product that competes directly with OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Bard. Like others, it is adept at conversational interaction, can automate workflows, and is trained on a wide dataset and sync to the internet. It's not just any AI model, it understands the nuances of human languages, crafts stories, generates content, and even engages in detailed analysis. If you've ever wondered what happens when you amalgamate the talents of a veteran journalist, a meticulous researcher, and a gifted artist, Claude 2 is your answer. But where did Claude 2 originate? It's essential to appreciate its legacy. The original Claude was groundbreaking, setting benchmarks in language processing and AI response mechanisms. But Claude 2? It's a leap, evolving based on feedback, refining its algorithms, and constantly learning. And while we talk about Claude 2, whispers in the tech corridor also hint at Anthropic's light version of Claude, Claude Instant. Touted to be more agile and adaptable, this iteration, with its recent upgrades, is drawing creators and developers in droves. As we always emphasize, understanding history is vital to appreciate the present and anticipate the future. Claude 2's architecture isn't just built on raw computational power, but also a blend of data science, cognitive psychology, and modern linguistic theories. It assimilates information, not as mere data points, but as a coherent flow of context. This enables Claude 2 to not just answer queries, but to engage in conversations, understand intent, and even predict future inquiries based on the context of the discussion. But what truly sets it apart is its adaptive learning mechanism. Each interaction refines its comprehension, allowing for a unique evolutionary growth. Such an intricate architecture requires a sturdy platform to harness its full potential, and that's where Amazon Bedrock steps in. Now, what is Amazon Bedrock? Amazon, a name synonymous with innovation, has given us Bedrock. It's more than just a platform. It's a canvas where businesses paint their AI dreams. A recent addition to Amazon's suite of tech offerings, Bedrock is a robust foundation for AI tools. Whether you're a startup aiming to disrupt a market or an established entity looking to innovate, Bedrock is your AI workbench. Scalable? Yeah. User-friendly? Absolutely. Versatile? As you'll soon discover, it's a game changer. Amazon Bedrock is more than just an AI interface. It's a comprehensive suite, providing the foundational elements required to build, scale, and perfect AI applications. Its modular architecture means businesses can plug in specific tools tailored to their needs. Additionally, Amazon's robust cloud infrastructure ensures seamless scalability, meaning no project is too big or small. Perhaps the most commendable feature is Bedrock's focus on security. In today's age, data is invaluable. Recognizing this, Amazon Bedrock employs state-of-the-art encryption, ensuring data integrity and protection against breaches. And what just happened? Well, Claude 2 is now an offering on Amazon's Bedrock. The union of Claude 2 and Bedrock isn't merely a tech integration, it's an amalgamation of endless possibilities. But what tangible changes does this promise? There are 4 essential benefits that are now offered with this new partnership. First, ease of use. Amazon Bedrock provides a simple and easy-to-use API that makes it easy to get started with Claude 2. Secondly, scalability. Amazon Bedrock can easily scale Claude 2 to meet the demands of your application. Third, security. Amazon Bedrock provides a secure environment for you to use Claude 2. And finally, cost-effectiveness. Amazon Bedrock is a cost-effective way to use Claude 2. When you choose to utilize the power of Claude 2 on Amazon Bedrock, you're stepping into a realm of unparalleled possibilities. This dynamic pairing allows you to not only tap into the remarkable capabilities of generative AI, but also to do so with the utmost privacy and security. With Claude 2 on Amazon Bedrock, you have the freedom to tailor your AI offering precisely to your organization's unique needs, all while utilizing your own proprietary data. But the journey doesn't stop there. Seamlessly integrating your AI-powered application into the digital landscape becomes a breeze, thanks to the familiarity of Amazon Web Services tools. Whether you're well-versed in the AWS ecosystem or just getting started, deploying your application becomes a streamlined and efficient process. This means you can focus on bringing your vision to life, secure in the knowledge that Claude and Amazon Bedrock has you covered every step of the way. Let's look at a few real-life testimonials from large players using the platform. Historically, legal data analysis was extremely daunting, needing countless man-hours. With the integration of Claude 2 on Amazon Bedrock, LexisNexis is turning a new leaf. Jeff Reel speaks about the profound impact of Claude 2, highlighting how it transforms dense legal documents into actionable insights at a speed never seen before. It's not hyperbole to say that this is harnessing a global consortium of legal scholars at one's fingertips. Lonely Planet, the go-to guide for wanderlust souls, isn't staying behind either. With the travel sector undergoing rapid digitization, the sheer volume of travel content is massive. Integrating Claude 2 allows Lonely Planet to sift through, analyze, and personalize this data like never before. Chris Wyde speaks with passion, viewing Claude 2 as more than just a tool, it's a strategic ally. Imagine every potential traveler receiving tailored advice, as if they had a personal travel historian whispering insights in their ear. But the magic doesn't stop there. Enter Rico USA, the vanguard in business process optimization. The world of business demands speed, efficiency, and above all, security. Rico USA's challenge was to find an AI tool that could seamlessly generate top-tier training datasets without sacrificing data sanctity. Claude 2 on Bedrock is offering not just precision, but also top-tier compliance standards like HIPAA and SOC 2. Ashok Shenoy's enthusiasm is unquestionable as he elaborates on how this integration meets and exceeds their exacting criteria. This transformative fusion isn't about two tools coming together. It's about reshaping industries, about making the impossible the new norm. It's about introducing a world where AI isn't just a tool, but a partner in innovation. While the impacts on legal services, travel planning, and business operations are evident, the fusion of Claude 2 and Amazon Bedrock is finding its footprint in uncharted domains. Here's a perfect example where an institutional user can make further use of Claude 2, now that it is under the larger Amazon Bedrock umbrella. Hospitals and healthcare providers are now employing Claude 2 to interpret vast medical data, providing insights into patient health trends, potential risk factors, and even predicting future ailments. Before the integration, a hospital might have a massive hesitation about using Claude 2 due to security concerns. With Bedrock's secure architecture, patient confidentiality remains uncompromised. How about the world of cinema, music, and art? Scriptwriters are now consulting Claude 2 for plot suggestions, ensuring story coherence and predicting audience reception. Musicians see it as a collaborator, suggesting chord progressions, lyrics, and even assisting in sound engineering. Beyond the more secure platform of being on Amazon Bedrock, the fusion of these two products broadened the creative potential that wasn't present before. With the whispers of Claude Instant becoming more pronounced, one can't help but wonder, what next? If Claude 2 is an evolutionary step, then Claude Instant is anticipated to be revolutionary, promising swifter responses, broader data assimilation, and more intuitive learning mechanisms. The light version isn't just a scaled-down model, but a refined one. So, what do we think about all this here at the AI Nexus? In this digital frontier, we stand on the brink of an era where Claude 2 and Amazon Bedrock lead us to unimaginable horizons. This convergence is not merely an advancement in technology. It is the birth of a movement where creativity meets capability, where the dreams of today become the innovations of tomorrow. Amazon's vision for Bedrock seems to transcend business. With initiatives aimed at education, Amazon might soon offer platforms for students globally, revolutionizing the way we perceive online education. Through a fascinating glimpse into the worlds of law, travel, business, and beyond, we've witnessed how this powerful fusion redefines boundaries and sets new standards. The AI renaissance is not a vision of the distant future. It's unfolding, here and now. With Claude's evolution and Bedrock's robust platform, we are not just observing history in the making, but actively participating in it. So one thing is evident: AI isn't a fleeting trend. It's the compass directing us to the future. With tools like Claude 2 on platforms like Amazon Bedrock, the next renaissance isn't in arts or culture, it's digital. It's AI-driven. Want more from Anthropic and what they have to offer? Then you need to see what they recently rolled out. Think Claude 2, but more nimble and efficient. It's called Claude Instant, and it needs to be in your AI toolkit.